Hey guys, we're here. Today we're going to be playing Glitch, but I have to get. After I was doing glue, I was doing a project, put glue in a cake. Now I have to go on my other phone. Oh, it's on this. So this is the color of it. And let me try it out.
Now that is good babysitting. Does Batman wear underwear? Shit.
It's kind of melted. It's kind of melted.